Yo, first order of the day, we've got a Jack in the Box. This is $7 going 4.5 miles.
Hi, may I help you? Thank you.
Thank you. It says blah 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 blah. Enjoy if there's a cat in the window. Smiley face. Did not see a cat in the window. And that was a no tip. Double cringe. Next up, we've got a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $7 going 3 miles. Thank you. Going right back to Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $5 and change going 2 miles. Thank you. You as well. Finally got the next order. This is a Jack in the Box. This one is $10 going 4 miles.
Okay.
No drink? No drink?
No drink.
Thank you. Got the next order right away. This is a Chick-fil-A, $13 going 6.5 miles.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
This has got to be one of the fanciest apartments I've ever seen. Library. Next up, we've got a Nectar juice bar. This one says it's going to be $6.50 plus, so I'm assuming it's going to be a higher total, going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Okay, yeah, the total was higher than it showed. I don't know why it just doesn't tell me up front. What does it cost you to show me they're gonna pay me more? Total for that one was $7 and change. And we got the next order right away. This is a 7-Eleven. This one is $7 and change, going about 4 miles. Not this way, I guess. That's not it. That was a pain in the you-know-what to find. Always love it when the GPS and the DoorDash pin are both in the wrong spot. 2 different spots, and they're both wrong. We got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $7 going 3 miles, only one item.
If you have your club card, play 22 in a second.
Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's $11, going 4 miles, only one item.
Please remain at this location.
Scribble on that line for me. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $6 plus, going about a mile.
Thank you.
Thank you. There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Total for that order ended up being $7. Again, I don't know why they don't just show me the full pay, but whatever. And we got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $7 and change, going 3.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got another Chick-fil-A. This one is $12 and change, going 8.5 miles.
This is right there. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course, that's it.
Oh, that is, oh, that is something else. There was no tip on that order, by the way. That was all base pay. Okay, here we go. This one should be much better. We've got a shop and deliver for Petco. This one is $13, going 6 miles, only one item.
Anything new?
I think this is it. Customer notes: cannot be a flavor that has fish. Gives my dog terrible gas. Okay. All right, I'm over it. Let's go home. Current time is 9:58. Total, we ended up with 114. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.